Hi there, Tongan Legion here. When you're hunting through the forest, you can come across some rough terrain, which can bring down your energy levels right down. But I'm going to show you in this video a meal prep that can bring your levels right up to the sky. First of all, you need some firewood. Make sure you don't get wet firewood, you need dry firewood. Make sure that your fire pit is clear of debris, so it doesn't create a fire chain reaction to the debris around. You don't want the forest burning down. So once you got all your firewood all ready, you can start off by starting the fire. In a survival situation, you won't have the luxury of having a lighter like this, but this is not a survival situation. We're just out here hunting for one day, and you usually have proper fuel. But unfortunately, we forgot that at home, as us Tongan people always forget stuff, especially us Tongan men. So we got this from the petrol station when we bought some drink bottles, so we'll be using this for fire fuel. The ingredients for this meal is, every Tongan is familiar with this meal. Iconic kapapulu, corned beef, 1 carrot, 1 onion, and any kind of noodle. You also need a pan to cook your meal in. You can use any kind of pan, but I prefer a cast iron pan because it's outdoor cooking and they're more ideal for outdoor cooking. Once your pan is nice and hot, you can add some oil. I forgot some oil at home. Like I said before, we always forget stuff. But luckily I bought some noodles, so I'm going to be using this oil to start up our meal. Once you've added your oil, add your carrots and onions.
Your friends, I'll pick you up like jumping jack. She wanna kick it for the dad on her ass while smoking and drinking. I got a solution for that. You come in, God, but she's like, that's something I never had. I hit Moni on the celly, give me a couple bags. Yeah, she ain't trying to mix alone. I tell me, you ain't got a trip at the rugby home. I said, I know you wanna mix with me, so come here, shawty, sit with me. Yeah, yeah, baby, I know you wanna mix with me. So bags.
The reason why I fried the vegetables first is because it gives a different kind of flavor when you eat it. If you boil it, it's up to you, it's your preference, but I like to fry my own first because it gives a different kind of flavor. If you boil it first, it's more of a moist flavor rather than a crispy flavor. It's finished cooking now. All you need to do is eat it up now. So like, it's up to you how you want to cook it, but this is how I like to cook it, especially out here in the wild. Let's give it a taste, eh? Ooh, reminds me of Tonga, bro. See you in the next video.
Me, so come here, shout sit with me, yeah.